Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the mini berry stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. To begin, I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the mini berry stitch, but we are looking at the back of my work. The reason being, once you make the row with the mini berry stitch, it's going to stick out on the other side of your work. So you should be aware of that when putting it into a project, which side you're going to want it to stick out on. So once we get to the end of my row, I will turn my work over and I will show you all of the mini berries on the other side. So I have already made one chain on my hook. And I'm going to work a single crochet into this first stitch right here. I'm going to be working regular single crochets in between my mini berry stitches. So I'm ready to make my first mini berry into this stitch right here. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over your hook and take that through one loop only. Yarn over your hook, take that through one loop only. Yarn over your hook, take that through one loop only. Yarn over your hook, and finally take that through both loops on your hook. So you're essentially making 3 chains, and then you're going to close it up. And that's going to be one mini berry made. I'm going to make a single crochet in this next stitch. Another mini berry, insert your hook into the stitch, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through. Yarn over, make a chain. Yarn over, make a chain. Yarn over, make a third chain. Yarn over, take that through both loops on your hook. You can see how tall it is, and it's going to bunch up once you make single crochets in between. Again, insert your hook into the stitch, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over your hook, take it through the first loop. Yarn over your hook, take it through the first loop only. Yarn over your hook, take it through that first loop only. Yarn over your hook, take it through both loops on your hook. I'm going to make a single right here. And I'm going to continue that for the rest of my row. And that is going to be the back of my mini berries. I'm going to chain one. I'm going to turn my work. And now you can see what the little mini berries are going to look like. There's little like nubs on them and they stick out and form this texture. So you are going to be doing a mini berry row like the row I just did. You will then do a sort of foundation row in between, and I'm going to do all single crochet, and that's why I've made one chain on my hook. You would just go through each stitch and make one single crochet. So any future rows that you want to make, you will repeat these 2 rows. And that is going to be how to make the mini berry stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.